Do you like that?
Any bus through today upon a bar?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's beautiful when the sun's out. Oh, the pride of Edinburgh. We got loads of time. We got a lot of time here today. We should get to see most of the major buildings and do a little bit of shopping. Do you like Edinburgh?
Does the royal family also rule over this?
Pardon?
Royal family
Yes,
also
they
rule.
actually do at the moment. Yes. They did have their own kings and queens, but the United Kingdom became united. They conquered. Yeah. Ah, nice. National Gallery looks really good, and they've really made it look nice, haven't they? Oh, there you go. There's the ocean, the estuary anyway. That's the Forth River estuary. It's amazing. Thanks.
Oof, this is a nice castle.
Yeah. Yeah? That's okay. Just
Yeah, can we stop off for a bit? I won't take
yeah, just keep walking. We'll stop off a little bit further down. So see the cannons there in the top, and they go off. They'll fire the cannons.
They still do?
Yeah, and they still fire the cannons. Yeah.
What do they fire then?
Nothing. They're blanks.
So there's nothing in there.
No, just gunpowder. No armament. Yeah. No.
What?
I don't know. If Mum wants to, wherever she wants to go.
Oh yeah, the top is a little greasy.
Does anybody want to go to Jamie Stingers?
You can literally see him, bro.
His son said to pay for a photo. Have good luck.
It is. Can you imagine Brax playing those bagpipes? It's not gonna rain in Scotland.
It never rains.
It doesn't rain in Scotland. Yeah. Yeah. You could open a store next door, Jamie, and call it Jamie's Socks.
Yeah.
You? And then next door to Jamie, we've got Brody. Brody's Tavern.
That's crazy.
Brody's Tavern.
Oh, can we go in there?
You're kidding, Jamie Scott's and
Yeah. She gets those everywhere.
Don't go? Don't go? Okay, I'm not going. You liking Edinburgh?
Deacon
Yeah,
Brody
I'm
was
liking
a thief who got executed.
Really? Where did he get executed?
I don't know, read that book.
Oh. Nice. You gotta touch the toe. Hold on, 1, 2, 3. There we go, bro. Touch the toe. There we go. Nice.
Papa, when is it food time?
derrière.
Look, 1606. That's old.
What time does that train?
For example, I know how to do that. No, I want it right up there. With a big ring.
They put the dog and
Seagulls are enjoying a drink, aren't they?
This is really uncomfortable to put on.
I don't want to sit on this.
That's cutting off all the circulation from my legs.
The Pavilion Beer Garden.
Yeah.
Yeah. There we go. I'm going to show you a real Scottish owl. Walk down the street and turn to your left.
Can I have it?
I don't know.
Is that one a baby?
I don't know.
Pretty big birds.
Yeah, aren't they big? And there's a little hawk over
They
there.
can turn their heads. That's
Yeah.
also an owl.
Is that an owl? It's a hawk.
No, that's also an owl.
Oh
Look,
yeah, look, that's an owl too.
It's just a smaller
A
one.
smaller one. I love that big one.
Yeah.
And what's that in there? Are they frying that one? Is that for dinner?
that's a hawk in there.
Oh yeah,
That
that's
thing's
a hawk.
huge.
That is huge.
Look at its eyes.
Wow. That's amazing, isn't it? Amazing.
Never seen an owl before.
Not that close up.
Oh.
Close up.
It's got big eyes.
Yeah,
Yeah.
look at its eyes.
Yeah.
One time I went to a bird sanctuary with brownies and an owl came and landed on my head.
Really?
I did not like that.
Well, how did it not leave
Sharp.
marks on your
Yeah,
head?
Pretty sharp. Yeah.
Did you have a hat on?
I don't remember. I was like 10.
Oh.
Maybe that.
Well, first class meal. Glass of Argentinian red. With Transpennine Express to Preston. It's always good to go first class, isn't it? Like it? Yeah. Views of the countryside while we're eating our dinner. Doing like 120 mile an hour. It's fantastic. There you go.
Oh yes, I just saw it.
What was it?
Cottage.